Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the lagging and slow responses on ChatGPT. So first you open your browser, you go to ChatGPT, you sign in for your account, then you click on your profile icon and you choose logout, then you confirm logout and log in again. If you still have this problem, then you can go and click on the three button on the top right corner, then you go to settings. In the settings you go to privacy and security, then you choose delete browsing data, then you check all of those, and for the time you can put all time and delete data. After this process, if you still have the problem, so the problem is from ChatGPT servers, so maybe you just need to wait some time and then try again with ChatGPT to see if the problem is solved. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.